Very good evening, everyone, and hello, namaste. How are you doing? I hope you are doing all well. And today, since I think 1 or 2 week had done, so I found very positive place here in Sector 4, and it is in Airoli, and next to the Navratri Hotel. That the shop name is that Khao Pio Fast Food and Juice Center. So basically this is very new for me, and I didn't accept like this kind of food shop I will going to find out, and for you, all of you. And this is the very good place, and I think that person 2 or 3 times I came here, and I like this place a lot. And basically it is famous for sandwich and different kind of juices they make, and their juice, their sandwich, their pani puri, shiv puri, bhel puri, everything is going to be very fantastic, because the way they make, they wear proper gloves, and they maintain hygiene. So once you will come here now, you will going to find this place is really very good and positive, and the staff is really very good, and they are devotee of Lord Khadu Shyam, and I'm also devotee of him. So today I'm going to explore this place very good, in a good way, and you should guys come here, and you must visit if you are living in Mumbai, or if you are living in Navi Mumbai or Central Line. Please do must visit to this place. I would really recommend you to, because it's my from my heart I'm telling you, this place is a really amazing place, and it has been only just 4-5 months. Like 4-5 months it has been, but really something interesting about it, about this place. When you will going to come here now, then you will understand why I was telling in my video. And so I am going to give the most famous here, and I think not I think they made in a very proper way, in a hygienic way, and in a various places I tried the sandwich, but I found it here, I think here they make really very well, like I could enjoy with myself. So I'm gonna give the order of sandwich, or sandwich so is real, and the burger will be there, and I think some Oreo or chocolate juice they recommended me to try. So I'm gonna try that one, and I will share a lot of things with you. So please stay with my video. So here is my cheeseburger has arrived. You can see like how nicely he had cut it. Okay, and aloo patties is there, and cheese I can see, like you can also see. And one thing I like about here, like how properly they cut it, like this in between they had this cutting. So I have noticed this cutting comes in big hotel of India and in foreigner country. So like in foreign country properly they cut, and then they take one piece with napkin, inside the napkin this burger. So I liked it about, and it's look like literally it's look like I came in foreign food shop, because like I like to eat burger like this, in between the cut, because food you can't eat it in your mouth properly, and I liked it. So I'm gonna taste, and I will let you know how the taste is going to be. And they give cheese with every burger, like that cheesy will be in, it will comes in every burger, so you can give your own. So here I am having, after very long I am having the burger, so let me taste. Is really good. It's very different from how we get in Bangalore. here. I'm just being sure. You can see my plate. I'm literally eating. I'm telling you, I'm not lying. This place is one of my most favorite place, and I can eat anything. See, I'm eating. I'm not lying. So I told you in my video, like I'm gonna try something new, and this is Oreo shake. I'm gonna try. And this is literally for the very first time I'm trying this Oreo shake, and the price is only 65 rupees. And let's try like how it gonna. Really good. And it's cold, and the taste of like that vanilla is there, and that Oreo chocolates are there. The taste is literally very good. After after burger, you can give the order of Oreo shake. The combination is literally too good. Forget about the price, but if you are getting the worth taste and nothing, in front of taste, nothing, the price is there. Literally, it is good actually. Literally, I'm telling you, it's really good. So although my experience was good in Khao and I had a burger and Oreo milkshake, they both were really delicious and I liked it a lot. It feels like my money is worth it, because that was completely stomach filling food today I had. Otherwise every time I was trying only sandwich, shev puri, pani puri, and that Mossambi juice, or you can say kiwi juice with other things. But today whatever I had, burger and that Oreo milkshake, that was really good. So it is in Sector 4 near Navratri Hotel, next to the Ujjwala, I would say Ujjwala Diagnostic Center. So must to visit to this place and tell all of friends to come here to hang up, to chit chat with the fries, with the combo fries, and 2 into fries are there. Then paneer combo offer is there. You can see here. So there are a lot of chats. There are a lot of food pictures are there. So you're gonna like this place a lot if you are a couple, if you want to come with your friends. So must to visit to this place and tell every friend to come on this place, because this is currently my most favorite in all over Mumbai and in Navi Mumbai also. I like this place a lot. And till then, take care. See you. Bye. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye. And whatever video I will take, or whatever shop I will find, that is going to be again fantastic. So see you soon. Bye everyone.